name's Carl Kolling. I own a 1995 Chevrolet S-10. It's a single cab, pretty well known in the custom truck world. It's on 22s and 24s. It's got a full custom paint job by a very famous paint company called Cal Concepts in Bakersfield. It was a labor of love that took well over 7 years to create. The whole theme of the truck is Star Wars. Ironically, I'm not the most massive Star Wars fan, but it was a great theme to work with. Meece basically built me a full custom bed install kit, which is kind of rare to come to an audio shop to, but my truck is a theme truck, so it's kind of not something you just want a flat bottom. So what he did was create something that looked like it should have been the internals of like a Star Wars ship. It's pretty intense, pretty amazing. He backlit it all with LEDs. He really went above and beyond, created a special compartment for all my show polishes and stuff underneath the bed. He's rewired my entire stereo system, modified and adapted my speaker box. I was able to just go, here's an idea. I'm gonna let you go crazy. And I believe like Meece, Jeff really enjoyed the fact that I gave him free rein. I didn't tell him exactly what to do. I just kind of went, hey, I trust your design and your ideas. Go for it, whatever you want. Now with Jeff, a lot of people come to him because of his artistic nature. They will bring their high-end Tesla or Corvette or custom or muscle car or mini truck or full size, because I know quite a few of my other friends who've brought custom stuff to him. And that man can create pretty much anything your mind comes up with, and he'll take your design and make it better. I've actually suggested Jeff to people that live as far as Tulare, Lindsay up in Northern California, Fresno, Victorville, Hesperia. I've got a lot of friends in the custom car world, and all the way out to Arizona. And when they saw the work that was done on my truck, they asked me where it was, and I pushed them. I'm like, hey, it's gonna be a drive, and it's kind of in a small town, but you're gonna get amazing quality, and you won't have to worry about your truck or your custom vehicle.